give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing, nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine.
Birthday Michael. Sana lumaki kong malusog, mabait na bata. Wish ko sa'yo, sana sa pag-aaral mo ay maging matalinong bata, masunurin sa magulang, masayahing bata. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Michael! Wish ko sa'yo lumaki ng malusog, may takot sa Diyos. At gusto ko pag lumaki ka, happy birthday!
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
Kay Michael, sana makatapos ng pag-aaral, katulad ng kanyang ama, maging mabuting tao, mabuting mamamayan, may respeto sa magulang, lalo sa mga kapwa-tao. Happy birthday, Michael!
Don't worry about the clouds, 'cause when the skies come out, give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing, nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
Happy birthday, Michael. Sana lumaki kang mabait at masunurin sa magulang at may takot sa Diyos. I love you, Michael.
Happy birthday, Michael! I wish you good health lagi and you will grow up as a God-fearing man and loving to your parents. I love you so much. I love you so much.
Ito yung tinatawag na bulak. Sa tulong ng aking
Happy birthday, Maiko. Thank you sa pag-invite. Wish namin sa'yo na sana lumaki kang malusog, may takot sa Diyos, at mahalin mo lang ang iyong magulang, ang iyong mami at daddy, at sana maging maayos ang iyong landas ng buhay. So, yun lang. Mahal na mahal ka namin, ng iyong Tita Rod, ng iyong pinsan na si Brielle. Yun lang, Maiko. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Maiko! Ang wish sa'yo ni Tito ay sana lumaking strong and healthy, mabait at saka laging masunurin kay Mami and Daddy. Alam ka ni Tito lagi, dito na lagi si Tito.
Happy birthday, Michael! Wish ko maging mabuti sa bata paglaki and maging good boy ka kay Mami and Daddy, kay Tito, Tita, and Lolo, Lola. Sana lumaki ka ng healthy and strong.
Happy birthday, Michael! I want Michael to become an Prime Minister.
Prime Minister. There's no Prime Minister in the Philippines.
President.
Oh, President na lang. Okay. Happy birthday,
What is your message?
My message for Michael is for Michael to grow up healthy and
kind.
yes, and a good boy to Mommy and Daddy.
Yes.
Yes.
Also, Ananya.
Also to Ate Anaya. Okay.
Bye. Happy birthday, Mikey.
Michael.
Happy birthday.
Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the
Happy
summertime.
birthday, Michael!
Bring on the summertime.
Yay!
thank you everyone po sa mga dumating. Ang wish ko kay Maiko, sana lumaki ka, mabait, and full of love and confidence because Mommy and Daddy loves you so much and everyone here.
Ay, Maiko, ayun, manatili ka lang na mabait. Ayun, mahal na mahal ka namin. Salamat kasi. Ikaw yung binigay sa amin ni Lord. Ayun, pinapangako namin na aalagaan ka namin hanggang tumanda kami. Yun lang. Thank you po, thank you.
Bring on the summertime.